Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll to the general management. On the third position we've got date and time, so simply tap on it, and here if you want to set date and time manually, all you have to do is to simply turn off this option. And as you can see, the time zone, date and time options are active, so let's tap on the time, and here by swiping you can change, you can set the time you'd like to use. So just tap on done if you're ready, and as you can see it is immediately applied to the status bar. Let's tap on the date, and as you can see from this calendar you can pick the date you would like to use. So I will pick for example this one. Remember to confirm it with OK and done. Actually we can also set the time zone. Just tap on the region, and as you can see here you've got all available options from which you can choose. So obviously all you have to do is to simply tap on the one you would like to set, and as you can see it is immediately applied, but be aware that after changing the time zone the time will also change according to it. Under it you've got also the format, the clock format option. So right now you're using 24-hour format. If you'd like to use 12-hour format, just turn off this option and it will be immediately applied also. So actually this is it. This is how to customize date and time manually. Obviously you can get back to all previous settings, just tap on it to use 24-hour format, and here to use network provided date and time. So actually this is it. This is how to customize date and time in your Samsung Galaxy F12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.